Counsel for the defense, any redirect.
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed.
A while ago, you identified this official real property tax receipt number 0770134, and it states received from paid by ano yun? Demetrio Vicente. Kindly go over the same and tell us who is that Demetrio Vicente mentioned in there. Sino po yan, Demetrio Vicente?
Ako po yan.
Okay. Right. Sinasabi nyo kanina na kayo ang nagbabayad. Tama, pareho rin naman. 133.
Ito po yung improvement.
Now, may we request, Your Honor, that this tax receipt carrying the entry paid by Demetrio Vicente, OR number 0770134, be marked as exhibit.
What date is that? For what year was that? For
March
what
12.
year was that receipt?
March 12, Your Honor, 2012.
Mark it according.
Exhibit 122, Your Honor.
March 2012.
Correct, Your Honor.
Only recently.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mark it accordingly.
Now, likewise, I am showing to you an official real property tax receipt number 0770133, which states received from Demetrio Vicente. Now, kindly go over the same and tell us who made the payment stated therein.
I made the payment.
Demetrio?
Demetrio C. Vicente.
Sino po yung Demetrio Vicente?
That's me.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Okay.
For what year is that?
March 12, 2012, Your Honor.
Oh,
Now-
also this year.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mark it. Is that the same document as the previous one?
No, Your Honor. This is that's what I was about to ask the witness.
Yeah.
What this tax payment here? What does it cover? Ano pong sinasaklaw niyang pagbabayad ng tax na yan?
This pertains to the property I bought from Christina.
Hindi, alin po ito? Dahil dalawa yan eh. Itong isa.
Yung isa ho, yung una, kay Miriam Rocco. Akin din ho yan eh.
Hindi. Yan ang sabi niya. Markahan mo muna.
Dalawa yung lote.
Hindi po, ibang po kayo makipag-usap sa akin. Doon po.
Markahan muna.
Nakamarka na doon, Justice. May...
Meron? Now you mentioned about Miriam Rocco. Ano po ang kinalaman niyang Miriam Rocco na yan sa property binabayaran ninyo ang real estate tax?
Yung lote ko ho, 1,700 na nabili ko kay Mrs.